Hello and welcome to this Coachmen Catalina Insider First Take. My name is Matt Eppers and today we're going to discuss checking seals, what to look for and how to fix them. While Catalina does perform a seal tech test on every unit that comes offline, over time and transportation, seals break down and settle in. It is the owner's responsibility to do a visual inspection on all weather seals every 90 days. This includes seals on the roof and the roof membrane itself. The best time to do this is before and after you leave to go camping. Besides just checking seals, remember to tighten screws on the window frame once every 90 days as well. This will compensate for the seals settling in and shrinking of the putty tape, helping to prevent leaks. As you walk the unit, look for seals that are cracked, dried out, shrunken, or penetrated. It is important to note that all seals have limited lifespans that depend on geographic location and climate conditions. Check the roof membrane for possible damage and check all the lap sealants used in termination areas and around all accessories and fasteners. If you find a seal or caulking that needs to be replaced, remove the old seal by cutting it out and using a strong citrus cleaner such as Goo Gone. Reseal the affected area and let it sit for 2 hours. It is very important that during this time no water comes in contact with the new seal. For roof seals, Catalina recommends Dicor roof sealant due to the fact that it is self-leveling sealant. For window seals, we at Catalina use ASI aquarium sealant, and for everything else we use Bondiflex silicone sealant. Always remember to check all exterior seals located anywhere where the metal or TPO has been penetrated. A commonly forgotten spot is the top of the awning rail. Fresh seals and caulking combat water best and leave your trailer in tip-top shape for longer. Thanks for tuning in today and thanks for trusting Catalina with your camping experience.